Everyone thinks buying a luxury SUV after its warranty expires is like signing up for a second mortgage, right? You probably picture endless repair bills, complicated electronics failing, and a mechanic living in your garage. Well, what if I told you some of these opulent machines actually get more dependable as they age, becoming unbelievable bargains for smart buyers? In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to reveal the 12 most reliable luxury SUVs that defy all logic, proving you can have premium comfort without the premium repair bills, especially if you know which ones to hunt for after that factory warranty is a distant memory. Stick around because the #1 pick on this list isn't just long-lasting, it's practically indestructible.
Starting our countdown at number 12, prepare to be surprised by the Mercedes-Benz GLK350, model years 2010 to 2015. While most people associate German luxury with astronomical repair costs once the warranty fades, the GLK350 is a rare gem. Mercedes apparently designed this compact luxury SUV with a secret directive: make it simple, make it stout. The naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 engine, often paired with the robust 7G-tronic automatic transmission, is a workhorse. It's not about mind-bending horsepower, but rather smooth, consistent power delivery that just keeps going. Ever wonder why some Mercedes models are so notoriously unreliable post-warranty? Often it's complex air suspensions or overly intricate electronics. But here's where the GLK gets interesting. It largely avoided these pitfalls, opting for conventional coil springs and simpler systems that contribute to its surprising longevity. Owners often report smooth performance well past the 150,000-mile mark, with just routine maintenance. What does this mean for you? These dependable luxury SUVs depreciate significantly, allowing you to snag a genuinely premium ride for the price of a mid-tier new sedan. Finding a well-cared-for GLK350 means getting a sturdy, maintenance-free SUV that won't send your mechanic's kids to college on your dime. It's a testament to old-school Mercedes engineering that sometimes less truly is more, especially when you're seeking a long-lasting SUV that won't let you down.
Next up, at number 11, we have a unique entry from Sweden, the Volvo XC90, first generation, specifically the 2005 to 2014 models equipped with the Yamaha 4.4-liter V8 engine. Yes, you heard that right, a Yamaha V8 in a Volvo. This wasn't just some engine slapped in, it was a bespoke, compact, and incredibly robust power plant. While some earlier XC90s had their quirks, this particular V8 variant is a mechanical marvel, known for its buttery smooth operation and impressive durability. It's the kind of engine that begs to be driven for hundreds of thousands of miles, purring contentedly on long highway cruises. Paired with a generally solid Aisin automatic transmission, this luxury SUV, known for its longevity, provides a surprisingly serene and solid driving experience. The interior, with its classic Scandinavian design, often holds up remarkably well, featuring quality materials that age gracefully. Many owners praise its comfortable seats and family-friendly practicality. While parts for some Volvos can be pricey, the core powertrain on these Yamaha V8 models is surprisingly resilient. This makes them a fantastic used buy, offering genuine luxury and a unique engine pedigree for significantly less than their original price. If you're searching for a dependable family vehicle that stands out from the crowd and offers exceptional value after its warranty is passed, this V8-powered XC90 might just be your hidden gem.
Sliding into the number 10 spot is the often overlooked Lincoln MKT, model years 2010 to 2019, particularly those with the naturally aspirated 3.7-liter V6 engine. While some might argue the MKT's styling isn't for everyone, its underlying mechanics are pure Ford tough. Sharing a platform with the venerable Ford Flex, the MKT benefits from a proven chassis and robust powertrains. The 3.7-liter V6, a common engine across many Ford and Lincoln vehicles, is known for its bulletproof reliability and ability to rack up serious mileage without a fuss. It's not the flashiest, but it's an honest, long-lasting SUV that focuses on getting the job done comfortably and reliably. The MKT offers 3-row seating, a cavernous interior, and a ride quality tuned for highway cruising, making it an excellent choice for families seeking low ownership costs and a maintenance-free SUV. What's surprising is that a lot of drivers report these vehicles simply keep going year after year with minimal fuss beyond routine oil changes and wear and tear items. After warranty, its depreciation makes it an incredible value. If you're looking for a spacious, comfortable, and undeniably reliable SUV that won't constantly demand attention from your wallet, don't sleep on the Lincoln MKT.
Coming in at number 9, we head to the heart of American luxury with the Cadillac Escalade, specifically the K2XX generation from 2015 to 2020. When we talk about SUVs that last forever, body-on-frame trucks often come to mind, and the Escalade is essentially a luxurious expression of GM's incredibly robust full-size truck platform. Under the hood, you'll find the legendary 6.2-liter Ecotec 3 V8 engine, an absolute powerhouse known for its durability and capability. This engine, shared with Silverado and Sierra trucks, is built to withstand heavy towing, long hauls, and countless miles. It's truly an engine designed for the long run, capable of easily exceeding 200,000 miles with proper care. The 8-speed and later 10-speed automatic transmissions are equally robust, handling the V8's power with ease. While some of the interior tech can occasionally have minor quirks, the core mechanicals are incredibly sound. For those who need a large, commanding presence and a genuinely dependable luxury SUV that can handle anything from school runs to cross-country road trips, a post-warranty Escalade offers immense value. You get unmistakable presence, a supremely comfortable cabin, and the peace of mind that comes with a powertrain that's built to last. Many owners will tell you these are SUVs that don't break, especially if you treat them right.
At the number 8 spot, we venture back to Germany, but this time for a truly surprising overachiever, the Porsche Cayenne 2nd Generation 958, model years 2011 to 2018, particularly the V6 and naturally aspirated V8S models. Everyone thinks Porsche means eye-watering maintenance, and for some models, that's true. But the 958 Cayenne defied expectations, blending genuine sports car dynamics with astonishing SUV reliability. The base V6 models, often powered by a Volkswagen-sourced 3.6-liter VR6, are incredibly stout. Even more impressive are the early S models with their naturally aspirated 4.8-liter V8s. These engines are known for their strong build quality and less complex nature compared to their turbocharged siblings. Porsche engineers poured their meticulous attention to detail into the Cayenne, ensuring that even under demanding conditions, components like the robust 8-speed automatic transmission held up. One of our early testers actually said, "I drive this thing harder than I should, and it just asks for more." While air suspension can be a wear item on any luxury SUV, the core mechanics of these Cayennes are remarkably robust. They offer a blend of exhilarating driving and surprising longevity, making them a fantastic post-warranty purchase for those who crave performance without constant worry. These reliable SUVs are a testament to Porsche's engineering when they get it right.
Moving on to number 7, we find the spacious and robust Infiniti QX80 from 2011 through its current iteration, focusing on the earlier model years. This full-size luxury SUV is built on a body-on-frame chassis shared with the Nissan Patrol, which is renowned globally for its indestructible reliability in the harshest conditions. Under its commanding hood sits the venerable 5.6-liter V8 engine, a powerhouse that's known for effortlessly accumulating hundreds of thousands of miles. This engine is paired with a smooth-shifting traditional 7-speed automatic transmission, a combination that has proven itself time and again in terms of durability. The QX80 is a true, long-lasting SUV, designed to handle heavy loads, demanding terrain, and long family trips with unwavering composure. Its opulent interior, while perhaps not cutting-edge tech in older models, features high-quality materials that hold up exceptionally well to years of use. For buyers seeking a large, luxurious, and utterly dependable family vehicle after its warranty has expired, the QX80 is an incredibly smart choice. It offers immense space, a comfortable ride, and the peace of mind that comes with a proven truck-based powertrain. What's surprising is how many owners simply never part with these because they are such SUVs that last forever.
At number 6, we're looking at the more compact yet equally capable Infiniti QX50, specifically the J50 generation from 2008 to 2017. This often overlooked luxury crossover is essentially a more refined, higher-riding version of the supremely reliable Infiniti G37 sedan. This means it benefits from the same legendary VQ37 VHR, 3.7-liter V6 engine, and a robust 7-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain combination is absolutely bulletproof, known for its eager performance and its ability to sail past 200,000 miles with nothing more than basic maintenance. If you're wondering, is a smaller, sportier, reliable luxury SUV out there for after-warranty buying? This is it. The QX50 offers nimble handling and a surprisingly engaging driving experience for an SUV, making it perfect for those who want a bit of fun with their dependable family vehicle. The interior, while slightly dated by today's standards, features premium materials and a driver-focused cockpit that stands the test of time.
Since it shares many components with its G-Series sedan brethren, parts are relatively easy to source, and independent mechanics are very familiar with its straightforward mechanicals. It's a fantastic choice for those seeking a stylish, maintenance-free SUV that won't break the bank on upkeep.
Halfway through our list, at number 5, we have the incredibly popular Acura RDX, the second generation from 2013 to 2018. Acura, being Honda's luxury arm, has a strong reputation for building reliable SUVs, and the second-gen RDX is a prime example. Under the hood, you'll find Honda's tried and true 3.5-liter V6 engine, a naturally aspirated gem known for its smooth power delivery and rock-solid durability. This engine, combined with a reliable 6-speed automatic transmission, forms a powertrain that is truly built to last. It's the kind of setup that shrugs off high mileage and keeps on performing year after year, making it a stellar option for low ownership costs after warranty. The RDX offers a comfortable and refined ride, a well-appointed interior, and the practicality that families often need. It's a gold standard for what a dependable family vehicle should be, spacious enough for passengers and cargo, yet agile enough for city driving. A common complaint we hear from owners is that these RDXs are almost boringly reliable, never giving them a reason to visit the service bay for anything unexpected. If you're looking for an SUV that won't let you down, this Acura should be at the very top of your list.
Now, for number 4, we step up in size to the incredibly versatile Acura MDX, the third generation, spanning model years 2014 to 2020. Building on Acura's reputation, the MDX takes that proven Honda reliability and scales it up for a 3-row luxury SUV package. It uses a very similar, equally robust 3.5-liter V6 engine as the RDX, sometimes paired with a 6-speed or later a 9-speed automatic transmission. While the 9-speed had some early software nuances, its mechanical integrity is generally very strong, especially in later years. The MDX is often praised for its refined driving dynamics, comfortable interior, and standard super handling all-wheel drive SHAWD system, which not only provides excellent traction, but is also surprisingly robust. This makes it an ideal long-lasting SUV for varied climates and terrains. For families who need that third row but refuse to compromise on dependability, the MDX is a standout choice. Post-warranty, these become phenomenal values, offering premium features and a remarkably maintenance-free SUV experience compared to many European rivals. Ever wonder why you see so many older MDXs still on the road? It's because they're truly built to endure, cementing their place as one of the most reliable luxury SUVs you can buy used.
Coming in hot at number 3, we have the utterly unstoppable Lexus RX 350, particularly the 3rd generation 2010 to 2015 and 4th generation 2016 to 2022. It's almost impossible to talk about reliable SUVs without mentioning the Lexus RX, and for good reason. It's the benchmark for dependable luxury SUVs. The RX 350 is powered by Toyota's legendary 3.5-liter V6 engine, a masterpiece of engineering that's renowned for its incredible smoothness, efficiency, and bulletproof durability. Paired with a consistently solid 6-speed or 8-speed automatic transmission, this powertrain combination is virtually unkillable. Many RX owners easily rack up 250,000 to 300,000 miles with nothing but routine oil changes and basic maintenance. The interior materials are designed to last, resisting wear and tear exceptionally well. And the electronics, while not always cutting edge, are reliably functional year after year. The depreciation curve makes these SUVs that don't break an absolute steal after a few years, offering unparalleled luxury and low ownership costs. If you're looking for a comfortable, quiet, and supremely long-lasting SUV that offers the ultimate peace of mind post-warranty, the Lexus RX 350 is the king of the hill for a reason.
As we near the top, at number 2, we encounter another legend of SUV reliability, the Lexus LX 570 second generation, covering model years 2008 to 2021. This isn't just a luxury SUV, it's a meticulously engineered tank draped in leather and chrome. Based on the globally renowned Toyota Land Cruiser, the LX 570 shares its nearly indestructible platform and the legendary 5.7-liter V8 engine. This V8 is quite simply one of the most reliable engines ever built, capable of enduring punishment that would sideline lesser vehicles. It's paired with an equally robust 6-speed or 8-speed automatic transmission, creating a drivetrain that's virtually impervious to failure. The LX 570 is designed for extreme durability and off-road capability, meaning its components are severely over-engineered for typical luxury SUV duty. While its advanced hydraulic suspension (AHC) system can be a point of concern if not maintained, the core mechanicals are beyond robust. For buyers seeking the pinnacle of SUVs that last forever and desire uncompromising luxury, capability, and longevity after warranty, the LX 570 is an investment in automotive immortality. It's a genuine maintenance-free SUV in terms of powertrain, allowing owners to enjoy the ride rather than dreading the repair shop.
And now for the undisputed champion, the #1 most reliable luxury SUV worth owning after warranty, the Lexus GX 460. The second generation from 2010 through to its current model years. Nothing else on this list quite matches the GX 460's combination of rugged durability, proven Toyota reliability, and enduring luxury. This is another body-on-frame marvel, sharing its platform with the equally legendary Toyota 4Runner and Land Cruiser Prado. Under the hood, the 4.6-liter V8 engine is a paragon of bulletproof reliability. This engine, paired with a rock-solid 6-speed automatic transmission, is designed to perform flawlessly for hundreds of thousands of miles, often surpassing 300,000 with proper care. It's the definition of a long-lasting SUV, built to withstand anything from daily commutes to harsh off-road adventures, making it the ultimate dependable family vehicle. The GX 460's relative mechanical simplicity, combined with Lexus's obsessive build quality, means fewer complex systems to fail and lower long-term ownership costs. Its interior, while traditional, features materials that are incredibly durable and comfortable, defying age. Smart buyers realize they're getting an almost indestructible vehicle that holds its value incredibly well, even after warranty. A common saying among mechanics is, if you want an SUV that will outlive you, buy a GX. It's a genuine SUV that lasts forever, making it the absolute pinnacle of post-warranty luxury SUV ownership. That's our definitive countdown of the 12 most reliable luxury SUVs that truly shine after their factory warranties expire. Which of these long-lasting SUVs surprised you the most? Did you expect a Porsche to make the list, or were you betting on Lexus to dominate? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We love hearing your take on dependable luxury vehicles. If you enjoyed uncovering these maintenance-free SUV secrets and want more insights into the world of low ownership cost luxury, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe. And remember, sometimes the smartest money buys a used luxury SUV that's just getting warmed up for decades of reliable service.